Correct. You did read the title right. I have bought more cryptocurrency. And if you watch my previous videos, you will see that we've been basically accumulating certain cryptocurrencies, especially the main ones in our portfolio, such as Ethereum, Chainlink, Polkadot, etc. And of course, we do have Bitcoin as well. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you why I'm buying more cryptocurrency, how to take advantage and compound as we approach 2022. So here it is. So for example, not Euro USD, I'm getting complicated with my FX pairs. So Ethereum, as you can see, we've been accumulating Ethereum pretty much, for quite some time. We stocked up heavy in 2020 around May. And then we saw price start to make its move to the upside. We decided to buy more just before the end of 2021, 2020, as we were anticipating 2021 being one of the biggest years in the crypto space. Now, for Ethereum, we saw pretty much over 100% move so far for the year. We're only 22 days into the new year already, so it's quite a significant move. Now, of course, we understand that the market cannot go in a straight line, right? We are going to see pullbacks in the market, and sometimes we can see heavy pullbacks, right? So this pullback on Ethereum in 2017 was quite a hefty one. So we almost saw a 95% pullback, which is huge, right? Now, again, we've been bullish on the crypto space for quite some time now. So it only makes sense to accumulate when the market is down. So here we have a pullback when we pretty much we're heading towards those all-time highs. We saw a pullback of around 32%. So 32 to 33% pullback. And again, we decided to accumulate more. And on our major entry, we're up over 14% on that position now. And we will continue to pull back. And once we do break our all-time highs, we will buy again when price pulls back. This is how you accumulate and compound on your positions, especially if you believe in the project. And we do believe that Ethereum could possibly close between $5,000 to $7,000 per coin before the end of 2021. So that's one of the reasons why we're currently buying and accumulating on Ethereum, because of course, if we do believe in that predicted target, then it would only make sense to accumulate when price crashes. Let's look at some of our other accumulations. So I just did a video on this. If you haven't seen it, watch the last video on Chainlink. Again, another pullback to a key area of support, and we're up over 20% again on our new position. So you can see how we're almost taking advantage of those market sell-offs to accumulate more and obviously compound our overall portfolio. Again, on Bitcoin, we saw even heavy pullback price, going below the 30,000 area. Now, a lot of people that bought here would obviously be in for a, quite a shock, because obviously they're in their mind, they're down now, again, 30% on their buying. So of course they're going to be extremely worried, but you see, you have to have a long-term vision when you're getting into these things, right? You can't just, buy in at a whim and expect to make 100% return overnight. That's not going to happen. So again, another pullback. So a lovely time to buy Bitcoin. However, we haven't bought any more Bitcoin for now. We've got quite a large Bitcoin holdings. So potentially we'll see how this looks on Sunday. If price is still low, we'll look to buy a tiny bit more just to add to our overall positions, but nothing too serious. And of course, Polkadot, the particular crypto that probably brought you to this channel, which we believe will be one of the biggest cryptocurrencies of this decade. And if you want to know why, make sure you watch our other videos so you can see that. Now, of course, as you can see, we were buying heavily around the $7 area, $8 area, and even the $11 price area. So we were essentially buying any time price would pull back around this again. Was a resistance, now a support area. And of course, we're still in a price discovery phase for this particular coin, but we do believe we can see another rally, which is why we added another buy position at $15, and we do believe we're going to hit over $50 per coin this year. We're predicting $100. So again, we're accumulating when price is cheap. The last thing that you would want is for for it to be the end of the decade or even the end of the year, and you're saying to yourself, wow, it's such a shame that I missed out on all that opportunity because of, I don't know, fear, or you know so much. There's so many reasons why people miss out on opportunities, but you don't want the reason to just be fear, or something along those lines, especially if you really do believe in the space. But again, it's highly speculative, so you do have to be very, very careful. But we are, again, our motto is this is either going to be the greatest investment of our lifetimes or one of the greatest lessons, right? So either way, we're seeing this as a project to be a part of, right? This is a journey that we definitely want to be a part of, and we've bought some of the best coins that are currently available at the moment, and blockchain technology. So again, this is the moment, right? It's January the 22nd to 2021. It would be a shame to look back on this video in 2030 and say to yourself, wow, if I took action, right? So this is going to be historical, and I can't wait to look back on this video 10 years from now and to say, wow, we actually did it. But with that being said, we're going to leave it here now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because we've got a lot more content for you guys. I'm going to be going into heavy technical analysis, right? So I want to show you guys how we're analyzing projects from a technical perspective. Then I'm going to get into the fundamentals, right? So what is our reasoning for investing in certain crypto projects, and just give you a deeper insight into Vision Life and what we do and how we can help you. So again, like, comment, and subscribe. We've got an incredible year ahead. Speak to you soon.